7.2 is called compound angles. And in this subtopic, we're gonna have compound angle formula, which can be used to find the double angle formula. And then from the double angle formula, we're gonna find the half angle formula. And lastly, we're gonna have factor formula as well. Note that these three formula are related. Therefore, you can use compound angle in order to find double angle and half angle. Factor formula is also related to this angle as well. But don't worry, some of these formula will be given in the exam. So we'll start with compound angle formula. This formula will be given in the exam. So how to read this formula? Say that you need cos x plus y. Using this formula, we can find what is cos x plus y. So here A is x and B is y. So we're going to change A to become x and B to become y. Note that we need positive. If you look at this equation, positive sign is on top. So for this one as well, we're going to take the sign on top, which is minus. So we're going to put minus here. So basically, just look at your sign and then check whether it is on top or at the bottom. So the sign at the back here will also follow from your question as well. Let's do example 5, question 1. Without using a calculator, we need to find the value of the following in terms of set. So here we have sine 60 plus 45 degree. So you know that this is compound angle. So I'm going to change this degree to become in terms of A and B. So 60 degree is A and 45 degree is B. So we're going to have sine A plus B. And this is the formula that we need to use since we have sine A plus B. So note that plus is at the top. Therefore, for this sign here, we're going to take the sign at the top as well, which is plus. So it's going to be sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Using this formula, we're going to substitute the value of A and B into this formula. So now we just need to simplify this in order to find the final answer. Note that for the first term here, we have square root 3 times square root 2, which is equal to square root 6. 2 times 2 is 4. For the second term here, we have 1 times square root 2 and 2 times 2 as well. Leave your answer as a single fraction. Hence, the final answer is square root 6 plus square root 2 divided by 4. So make sure your final answer is left in the simplest form, which is this one. So square root 6 cannot be simplified anymore. This is the simplest form of square root 6. So that's why we just leave square root 6 like this. The same goes for square root 2 as well. So that's how you get the final answer for question 1A. For question B, we have cos 150 degree minus 45 degree. And there are two methods for this question. So let's recall, for this question, we cannot use the calculator, and we know that we need to use the special angle. Special angle are only 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. But if we look at our question here, we have 150 degree, which is not in the special angle. So, do not apply the formula of compound angle yet to question B. Instead, we're going to do something to question B first. Cos 150 degree minus 45 degree is actually cos 105 degree. Change 105 degree to become in terms of the special angle here. So note that 105 degree is actually 60 degree plus 45 degree. Let's say 60 degree is A and 45 degree is B. So we're gonna have cos A plus B, which comes from this equation. So we have cos A plus B. So plus is on top. Therefore, for this one, we're going to take on top as well, which is minus. So it is actually equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So now we're going to substitute A to become 60 degree and B 45 degree into this formula. So now we just need to apply the special angle formula as per usual. And hence, the final answer is square root 2 minus square root 6 divided by 4. For the second method, we have cos 150 degree minus 45 degree. So let 150 degree to become A and 45 degree to become B. So that will give you cos A minus B. So it will come from this formula. So we need cos A minus B. So minus is at the bottom here. Therefore, for the other sign here, we're going to take the sign at the bottom, which is plus. So it's going to be cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So now we're going to substitute A is 150 degree and B 45 degree into this formula. And we'll get cos 150 cos 45 plus sin 150 sin 45. But note that 150 degree is not a special angle. So this means that you need to change cos 150 and sin 150 to become acute angle first. And then afterwards, you need to apply the special angle for this expression. So you can see that this method is actually a bit harder compared to the first method. So just do method 1 if you have this kind of question.